These days, we all want to outperform others, be it in our studies, jobs, or in other social affairs. And this is one of the few main reasons for the increased stress and pressure among us. Stress is any change in the environment that requires your body to react and adjust in response. The body reacts to these changes with physical, mental, and emotional responses. The human body is designed to experience stress and react to it. Stress can be positive, such as getting a job promotion or being given a greater responsibilities, keeping us alert and ready to avoid danger. Stress becomes negative when a person faces continuous challenges without relief or relaxation between challenges. As a result, the person becomes overworked and stress related tension builds. Distress can lead to physical symptoms including headache, upset stomach, elevated blood pressure, chest pain, and problems in sleeping. Research suggests that stress also can bring on or worsen certain symptoms or diseases. Stress also becomes harmful when people use alcohol, tobacco, or drugs to try to relieve their stress. Unfortunately, instead of relieving the stress and returning the body to a relaxed state, these substances tend to keep the body in a stressed state and cause more problems. There are many ways to manage and even reduce stress levels when you are feeling tense. Food can be one of them. It can make your stress levels go down or up. So, it's critical to pay attention to what you're eating when you're feeling frazzled. Not to mention, just being stressed can increase your need for certain nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin B, selenium, and magnesium, as mentioned by experts. It is also said that the amount and quality of nutrients you take in over time can impact the body's neural circuits that control emotions, motivation, and mood. There is research that has pointed out to gut microbiota. There is research that has pointed out to gut microbiota, which is microorganisms in your intestine which is comprised of good and bad bacteria, as an essential link to the relationship between what you eat, drink, and how you feel. Your gut health affects your mood, emotions, and psychological health. Fighting stress with food is a tactic available to everyone. No expensive supplements or complex methodologies required. Unhealthy eating pattern can send stress levels skyrocketing and potentially increase your risk of health problems in future if you don't address them. A well balanced and nutritious diet is likely the single most important ingredient for good health. Having said that, it's very difficult to eat healthy when you're stressed. Don't you agree? Normally, the brain single handedly uses up to 20% of the total energy reserves of the body. This increases when you're under stress. It can be at work, meeting deadlines and monthly targets, or racing against time to finish a presentation to beat your competition. These are the times when you are the most vulnerable and convince yourself in the favor of devouring entire bags of chips, cheese filled burgers, and pizzas. Stress eating doesn't actually help relieve stress. In the long run, you're bound to feel guilty about all the unhealthy fats you have been piling upon. It's a temporary fix for your brain to feel okay for some time. But it can be harmful to your health as it may lead to an increase in cholesterol in blood. Not to mention, it completely derails your fitness goals. But there's a way around stress eating. There are healthy foods that can also lower the levels of stress and boost your mood significantly. Here is a list of certain foods and beverages which may have stress relieving qualities. So, the next time you're under pressure, arm yourself with the delicious arsenal of the stress busting staples. Eating whole, nutrient rich carb sources like sweet potatoes may help lower levels of the stress hormone cortisol. Although cortisol levels are tightly regulated, chronic stress can lead to cortisol dysfunction, which may cause inflammation, pain, and other adverse effects. Sweet potatoes are a whole food that makes an excellent carb choice. They are packed with nutrients that are important for stress response, such as vitamin C and potassium. Eggs are often referred to as nature's multivitamin because of their impressive nutrient profile. Whole eggs are packed with vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants needed for a healthy stress response. Whole eggs are particularly rich in choline, a nutrient found in large amounts in only a few foods. Choline has been shown to play an important role in brain health and may protect against stress. Tahini is a rich spread made from sesame seeds, which are an excellent source of amino acids L-tryptophan. L-tryptophan is a precursor of mood regulating neurotransmitters dopamine and serotonin. Following a diet high in tryptophan may help boost mood and ease symptoms of depression and anxiety. Sunflower seeds are a rich source of vitamin E. That fat soluble vitamin acts as a powerful antioxidant and is essential for mental health. A low intake of this nutrient is associated with altered mood and depression. Sunflower seeds are also high in other stress reducing nutrients including magnesium, manganese, selenium, zinc, B vitamins, and copper. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli are renowned for their health benefits. A diet rich in cruciferous vegetables may lower your risk of certain cancers, heart disease, and mental health disorders like depression. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli are some of the most concentrated food source of some nutrients including magnesium, vitamin C, and folate that have been proven to combat depressive symptoms. Broccoli is also rich in Broccoli is also rich in sulforaphane, a sulfur compound that has neuroprotective properties and may offer calming and antidepressant effects. Chickpeas are packed with stress fighting vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, potassium, B vitamins, zinc, selenium, manganese, and copper. These delicious legumes are also rich in L-tryptophan, which your body needs to produce mood regulating neurotransmitters. Research has found that diet rich in plant protein like chickpeas may help boost brain health and improve mental performance. Blueberries are associated with a number of health benefits, including improved mood. These berries are high in flavonoid antioxidants that have powerful anti inflammatory and neuroprotective effects. They may help reduce stress related inflammation and protect against stress related cellular damage. Studies show that eating flavonoid rich foods like blueberries may safeguard against depression and boost your mood. Dark chocolate is obviously the most effective stress busting food. Including dark chocolate in the diet can reduce stress in two ways via its chemical impact and its emotional impact. Chocolate feels like such an indulgence that it can be a real treat to simply savor a piece of it, and that feeling alone can help to reduce stress. Dark chocolate, which is rich in antioxidants, may also help reduce stress by lowering levels of stress hormones in the body. But be sure to enjoy dark chocolate in moderation. Avocados are not only delicious, but they are also a great source of omega 3 fatty acids. These healthy essential acids are known to reduce stress and anxiety, boost concentration, and improve mood. In addition to that, they also help in reducing stress. The possible superpower of avocados goes beyond their omega 3 fatty acids. They also consist phytochemicals, fiber, and essential nutrients. Avocados have been linked to better diet quality and nutrient intake as well as a lower risk of metabolic syndrome, which is a group of conditions that include high blood pressure and obesity. Nuts are full of nutrients including B vitamins along with healthy fatty acids. B vitamins are an important part of a healthy diet and can help reduce stress. Almonds, pistachios, and walnuts may even help lower blood pressure levels. It is said that pistachios, in particular, can have a role in reducing stress levels. Just remember to limit the servings to just a handful per day to avoid excess calories. Nuts and seeds are also high in magnesium, and that's a plus because magnesium has been linked to better anxiety management. Magnesium benefits individuals with mild to moderate levels of anxiety. These were some of the foods that contain nutrients that may help you reduce stress. Try incorporating some of these foods and beverages into your diet to naturally promote stress relief. It was lovely sharing this information with you all. If you find this information helpful, consider sharing it with your loved ones. It will be a great way of showing that you care.